Hello viewers and welcome to my channel. I am Mike and today I'll be testing out a plastic welding gun. It's actually called a hot staple gun and I'll be using it on a broken part on a plastic headlight to see how well it can repair the damage to that headlight. So keep watching to see just how effective this hot staple gun is and the type of repair job that it can do. This plastic welding gun was purchased on Amazon. It is made in China and I'm not sure who manufactures it, but as you can see there's a spelling error. So it says plastic welding gun instead of plastic welding gun. Besides that, the kit comes with the hot staple gun. It comes with a wire cutter. It doesn't seem all that sturdy. It comes with a utility knife and it also comes with an array of staples. This sheet of paper also comes with it. This serves as a manual. So it's just one sheet of paper with some information on the front as well as the back, providing instructions as how to use this welding gun. There are 4 types of staples. They are a little bit thinner than I had anticipated, but one way to find out how well it works, and that is to test it on the broken part and to see how well it holds up. The information sheet provides pictorial showing how to use the various staples, as can be seen in this diagram. Let's take a look at the broken tab on the headlight. So as you can see, it's almost completely broken off, and we're going to attempt to weld this back using the hot staple gun. So let's see what this gun is capable of doing. Based on my understanding, what's supposed to happen is that you get the staple and you're going to insert it inside the hot staple gun. After you have done that, you're going to place it on the plastic, the damaged portion. You squeeze the trigger, it will get hot, the staple will become hot, and then you twist, release the trigger and pull, and the staple should remain embedded within the plastic. Once the staples are inserted, the next step now is to use a wire cutter and to cut off the portion that is extending out of the plastic. It's important that you wear goggles, eyewear, when cutting the staple, because it could actually get in your eye and create damage. When you're finished cutting the staple, you need to have a grinder or you need to have a file to file it down and to ensure that you have a smooth and safe finish. So what's my overall impression of this plastic welding gun? Well, it did what it said it would. It was able to bond the 2 parts, broken parts together, and I think it did a fairly decent job. If you like the video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again, be safe.